Your home is your sanctuary, and nothing is more important than feeling safe and secure within its walls. For homeowners in Redmond, Washington, ensuring that your doors provide a strong, reliable barrier against potential intruders is essential. One of the most effective ways to enhance your home's security is through professional door installation. Whether you're replacing old, worn-out doors or upgrading to more secure options, proper door installation can make a significant difference in protecting your family and property. Here's how door installation improves security in Redmond homes and why it's a wise investment. Stronger doors for better protection. Not all doors are created equal. Many older homes in Redmond still have original doors that may be made from weaker materials such as hollow wood or thin metal. These doors can be easier for intruders to break through. When you invest in door replacement and professional installation, you have the opportunity to upgrade to sturdier, more secure doors. Modern doors come in a variety of durable materials such as solid wood, steel, and fiberglass. Steel doors are particularly strong and resistant to forced entry, while fiberglass doors combine durability with low maintenance and excellent insulation. Professional installation ensures that these doors are properly fitted and aligned, eliminating weak points that could be exploited. A well-installed door made from high-quality materials forms a robust barrier that significantly increases the difficulty of unauthorized entry, protecting your home from break-ins. Improved locking mechanisms. Even the strongest door won't keep intruders out if the locks are outdated or poorly installed. Proper door installation includes fitting advanced locking systems that enhance your home's security. Modern doors often come equipped with multi-point locking mechanisms that lock the door at several points along the frame, rather than just a single deadbolt. This type of lock makes it much harder for someone to force open the door by distributing pressure across multiple locking points. Additionally, professional installers ensure that the locks are correctly installed and aligned, preventing gaps that could be pried open. Upgrading to smart locks or high-security lock sets during door installation further improves security by offering features like keyless entry, remote access, and audit trails. These technologies give you more control over who can enter your home and when. Seamless fit to prevent forced entry. One of the most overlooked aspects of door security is the installation quality. Even the best door and lock can fail to protect your home if the door is poorly installed. Gaps between the door and frame, misaligned hinges, or improperly installed strike plates can create vulnerabilities. Professional door installation ensures a precise fit that leaves no gaps or weak points. The door frame is reinforced and anchored securely to the wall, making it resistant to kick-ins or prying. Hinges are installed with security screws that are longer and more difficult to remove, adding an extra layer of protection. This seamless fit not only improves security but also enhances energy efficiency by reducing drafts and air leaks, making it a win-win for your home. Enhanced visibility and lighting features. Security isn't just about strength and locks, it's also about visibility. During door installation, you can incorporate features that improve your home's safety by increasing visibility around entry points. Installing doors with integrated glass panels, side lights, or transoms with impact-resistant glass allows you to see who is outside without opening the door. In addition, exterior lighting around your doors can deter criminals by eliminating dark hiding spots. Professional door installers can recommend and help install complementary lighting solutions such as motion sensor lights or smart porch lights that enhance security during nighttime. These features increase your awareness and control over your home's access points, making it safer for your family. Weather and durability benefits support security. Redmond's climate, with its wet winters and occasional storms, can impact your door's condition over time. Doors exposed to moisture or temperature changes may warp, swell, or degrade, making them easier to force open. When you choose new doors in professional installation, you can select weather-resistant materials and finishes designed to withstand Redmond's environment. Proper installation includes weatherproof sealing and thresholds that prevent water damage and prolong your door's lifespan. A door that maintains its structural integrity over time continues to provide reliable security without gaps or weaknesses caused by weather-related damage. Professional expertise and warranty assurance. Hiring a professional for door installation means you benefit from expert knowledge, ensuring your door system is optimized for security. Experienced installers understand the nuances of proper fitting, material selection, and lock integration, providing you with a door that truly protects. Additionally, professional installation often comes with warranties on both the door and the workmanship, giving you peace of mind that your investment is protected. If any issues arise, you can count on experts to resolve them promptly and maintain your home's security. Conclusion: door installation is a critical component of home security for Redmond homeowners. By upgrading to strong, durable doors, installing advanced locking mechanisms, and ensuring a precise, professional fit, you significantly reduce the risk of break-ins and enhance your family's safety. Beyond physical security, professional door installation improves visibility, withstands weather conditions, and can include smart technology to give you greater control. Investing in high-quality doors and expert installation is a smart decision that pays off in peace of mind, energy savings, and increased home value. If your current doors are outdated or compromised, don't wait. Consult with a trusted local door installation professional in Redmond to secure your home effectively and stylishly.